You are now starting the first course in the series of Math for Machine Learning. Welcome! We're very excited to have you on this journey. In this course, you will learn to translate real-world scenarios into practical applications using linear algebra. In the first week, you will construct systems of equations from real-life examples and identify the matrix representation corresponding to these systems. From there, you will determine some important concepts such as singularity and linear independence. You will also learn to calculate the determinant, and you'll learn some useful row operations for simplifying matrices. By the end of week 2, you will be comfortable solving 2x2 and 3x3 systems of equations, and you'll be familiar with concepts such as the rank of a matrix. In week 3, we will zoom into the depth of the simplest representation of a grid of values, the vector, and how matrices can transform one vector into another. And in week 4, you will learn some more advanced concepts such as eigenvalues and eigenvectors. You might encounter working with vectors in your life without even realizing it. So follow me along in the next video to get started.